Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting topic that's been causing some headaches for developers working with Apache Camel and email integration. If you've ever encountered the error, msal4j, AcquireTokenByClientCredentialSupplier failed while trying to integrate your application with email services using Apache Camel, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Apache Camel and explore what this error message means, why it happens, and most importantly, how to fix it. How to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the concepts involved and be able to troubleshoot and resolve this issue with ease. So let's start by breaking down the error message. msal4j AcquireTokenByClientCredentialSupplier failed. This error typically occurs when Apache Camel is unable to acquire an access token using the client credentials flow. But what does that mean? In simple terms, when your application tries to send an email using Apache Camel, it needs to authenticate with the email service provider, such as Outlook or Gmail. To do this, Camel uses a library called msal4, which is responsible for handling the authentication flow. The client credentials flow is a specific type of authentication flow that allows your application to use its own credentials to authenticate with the email service provider. However, if there's an issue with the credentials or the configuration, the authentication fails, resulting in the error message we're discussing today. So, why does this happen? Well, there are several reasons why the client credentials flow might fail. One common reason is that the credentials provided by your application are invalid or have expired. Another reason could be that the configuration of the email service provider has changed, requiring an update to your application's configuration. To fix this issue, you'll need to troubleshoot and identify the root cause of the problem. This might involve verifying the credentials used by your application, checking the email service provider's documentation for any changes to their configuration, or even debugging the authentication flow using tools like Wireshark. So, what are from this discussion? First and foremost, it's essential to understand that the error message msal4j AcquireTokenByClientCredentialSupplier failed is related to an issue with the client credentials flow during authentication. To resolve this issue, you'll need to identify the root cause of the problem, whether it's invalid or expired credentials, changes to the email service provider's configuration, or something else entirely. That's all for today's video on troubleshooting the msal4j AcquireTokenByClientCredentialSupplier failed error with Apache Camel and email integration. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content on software development and troubleshooting. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, please leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you and help you troubleshoot any issues you might be facing. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.